2024 Subaru Impreza versus 2024 Mazda 3. Fight! Subaru rolls out an all-new 6th generation Impreza for the 2024 model year, and with it comes new looks, new tech, a new powertrain option, and the return of the rally-inspired RS trim level from the late 1990s. For 2024, Mazda is offering a special carbon trim exclusively for the turbo hatchback. Carbon trim comes in handsome zircon sand metallic paint and are swatted in dark trim including gloss black wheels, side mirrors, and grille. The Impreza comes with two engine options, and the better one is the 2.5-liter Boxer 4-cylinder engine that outputs 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. MPG rating is 26 city and 33 highway, while the driveline is of course all-wheel drive, and the transmission is a CVT. MSRP is $22,995 for the base and $27,885 for the RS trim. The Mazda 3 also comes with two engine options, and the best one is the 2.5-liter turbo inline 4 that outputs 250 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. The MPG rating is 23 city and 31 highway. While front-wheel drive is standard, this engine option only comes with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed auto transmission. The MSRP for the Mazda 3 is $25,690 for the base trim to $36,650 for the Turbo Premium Plus. The pros for the Impreza includes updated driver assist technology, lower MSRP than the Mazda 3, and a more roomy seating and cargo area than the Mazda 3. Its cons include bland interior design, the RS trim is still slower than the base Mazda 3, and the fact that the sedan is retired. The pros for the Mazda 3 includes premium interior design and materials, fun to drive, and an available manual transmission. Its cons include less roomy than the Impreza, all-wheel drive is not standard, and the fact that its infotainment display is only 8.8 inches. In summary, the Impreza's new look is not bad. It looks aggressive and resembles the new WRX. Although it is still slower than the base Mazda 3 with the addition of the RS trim, it is more fun to drive than past Imprezas. The 11.6-inch infotainment screen also makes it more fun inside at a price lower than the all-wheel drive Mazda 3. What the Mazda 3 lacks, it makes up for it in its premium looks interior and exterior wise. While the all-wheel drive is not standard, the base trim does come standard with leatherette seats as well as many safety and technology features. The upgraded price for the all-wheel drive comes with even more goodies like red leather seats. Which one would you drive? Personally, I would go for the Mazda 3 because although it costs a bit more, it's faster and has some more premium features and materials, even as a base trim.